Hello students. Today I'm going to explain you the question answers of your first chapter, the three races. In your notebooks, you have to write this in the same pattern as I have written here. Alright. First thing to mention is date, then chapter number, after that the three races, that is the chapter's name, and heading will be question answers. Okay. After that, your first question says, what do you learn about the young boy? So, from the chapter, when you read it, what have you learned about the young boy here? So, the answer is, we learn that the young boy was ambitious, that he was ambitious. He always wants something in his life and hardworking also. And for that thing that he wants, he also do some hard work. He learned true sportsmanship. What has he learned? He learned true sportsmanship by helping the old man and the blind lady. What is sportsmanship? Sportsmanship means how you play any sport. That means it is very important to be to play with others. Don't be so self-centered or selfish. Okay. So here, how he learned this? By helping the old man and the blind lady. So this is what we learned about the young boy in the chapter. Okay. So your second question says, how did he win the first race? Now, as you know, there were three races. So how did he win the first race? He won. Students, now here see in the question it's written did. Okay. So what did we use? The first form of the verb, so it is win, but when we are writing our answer it should be in the past tense, so win will become won. Okay. He won the race by his strength and determination. How he won the race? By his strength, by his stamina and the determination. What is determination? When you are determined to do something, that I have to do this thing, that is your determination. Okay. So because of these two things, he won his first race. Your third question says, this is so nice. This is no race. Sorry, the word is, the sentence is, this is no race. The question says, who says this and to whom? So this sentence was said by the young boy. Okay, who said this? The young boy says this, and to whom he said this? He said to the wise old man. This sentence was said by the young boy and it was told to, or it was said to the wise old man. Second question or second part says, why does the speaker say so? And why the speaker said this line, this is no race? The speaker says so because he never expected his competitors to be a frail gentleman and a blind lady. He said this sentence because he never expected that his competitors would be a frail gentleman. Frail means a very weak gentleman, and a blind lady could also run. So that's why he said this sentence, that this is no race. Your third part says, okay, I hope you understood this much.